sometimes you have to eat a whole cucumber. If you're wondering, what the hell is she talking about? I was scrolling Food Talk, which is the food side of TikTok, and there's all these videos by this young fellow named Logan who makes an infinite variety of cucumber salad recipes. And he always starts it off like that. And so I'm hungry. I don't feel like cooking. And I have spent way more time than I wanted to looking for my little mandolin, and I can't find it. So I'm a little frustrated as well. But what I am more than tired and frustrated is hungry. And so I'm going to make this recipe. I'm just going to have to slice the cucumber up. Now, he doesn't give exact measurements. I'm going to kind of play it loosey-goosey as well. And it's apparently really straightforward. So there's rice wine vinegar in that, some soy sauce, some sesame oil. He uses chili oil, but I don't have any chili oil. And instead, I'm going to use the sweet chili sauce, some peanut butter, and some sesame seeds. And obviously, a cucumber. And so we're going to make this, and we're going to see how it is. You just slice everything into a container and then just mix the dressing in, shake the hell out of it, and then you've got yourself a fantastic cucumber salad, allegedly. So I'm just going to take way longer than he did because I'm not going to be able to do the whole slicing on the mandolin scene that he does. So I'm going to fast forward past this point while I slice my cucumber. Okay, we have our sliced cucumber. I've brought you in close. Again, he doesn't really do a lot of measuring, but it seems to be, if I had to guess, I'd say it's a couple tablespoons of everything, or a tablespoon-ish. So we've got our rice wine vinegar, seasoned rice wine vinegar. And he's got a bunch of different sort of options, recipes on his channel, versions. This is sort of the OG version. And it's apparently, like, there's so many other people making it on there and saying it's delish, so why not? The addition of the peanut butter kind of confuses me, but he swears by it, so we're going to do that. Stir that up. Use a cucumber to clean that off. Okay. My hands are clean. All right, so we've got all the ingredients. I'm not going to add salt. He adds MSG. I think that's just for the saltiness. I don't know how well this is going to mix up because the peanut butter is pretty solid, but now you just shake the hell out of it until all the ingredients are mixed. I could have mixed the ingredients in a jar or a cup or something, but where would be the fun of that? Oh, green onions. I forgot the green onions. We need green onions. I have green onions. There we go. Forgot the green onions. So let's just put maybe, 2 green onions in there. All right. is going to look like a hot mess. Yes, it looks like a hot mess. That's pretty much what it looks like in all the videos. It smells good though. It smells really good. But yeah, he doesn't give measurements, so it's really hard to know how much. A lot of TikTok recipes are like that. All right, so now we have our really messy looking cucumber salad. Let's put some on a plate. He always uses chopsticks to eat it, so we're gonna do the same because, you know, we're getting the full TikTok recipe experience. Okay. I have not tried this. This is our first time together. Like I say, it smells good. So let's give this a try. I don't think there's an elegant way to eat this. That's really good. I think the chili oil would add something to it. I do have some chili oil, but not the, like the chili oil paste, if that makes sense. Hold on a sec. Be right back. Okay. I've got some chili oil, just the oil. I'm going to add the cucumbers back into the container. And I am going to, this is fun, add a little bit of the chili oil. Oh, the peanut butter's good in there though. I'm not going to, try not to get carried away. It's really hard to know. All right. Let's shake it up some more. Okay. Now then, let's try it with the chili oil in there. All right. Good with the chili oil. I didn't add a lot, so it's not really spicy. This is so good. Delicious. I'm literally going to eat this and some leftovers for dinner. And this is why I spend time on Food Talk. It's because you discover these things everybody's doing, and you're like, I wonder if it's any good. And it turns out to be delicious. Now, is it the healthiest thing on the planet? Well, no, because you've got a little bit of the sesame oil and a little bit of the chili oil, but it's not the least healthy thing on the planet. And it's going to make a great addition to dinner tonight and snack tomorrow. So give it a try. Let me know if you do. Let me know if you spend time on Food Talk and suggest any recipes that I should try. So anyways, guys, I hope you guys are doing well. I hope you're staying safe and eating good food. Remember, in a world where you can be anything, be kind, including to yourself. I love you, and I'll see you next time. Sophie. No, you don't have to get up. Aw, sorry.